when 500 PS, 368 kilowatts, 718 Cayman GT4 RS, fuel consumption combined, WLTP, 13.2 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, WLTP, 299 g/km, fuel consumption combined, NEDC, 12.3 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, NEDC, 281 g/km, from a high-revving mid-mounted engine meets a purist 1,415 kg curb weight, it is time for the term driving pleasure to be redefined, whether it is being driven on narrow, winding mountain roads or closed racetracks. The 718 Cayman GT4 RS is king of the compact mid-engined range. On the Nürburgring Nordschleife, it outperforms its sibling, the 718 Cayman GT4, by more than 23 seconds. The naturally aspirated flat-six engine, 911 GT3, fuel consumption combined, WLTP, 13.0 12.9 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, WLTP, 294 293 g/km, fuel consumption combined, NEDC, 13.3 12.4 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, NEDC, 304 283 g/km, familiar from the 911 GT3 Cup racing car and the 911 GT3 series production model, forms the centerpiece of a sports car that has been designed for maximum driving pleasure. The engine revs as high as 9,000 rpm. Compared to the 718 Cayman GT4, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS has an extra 80 PS, 59 kilowatts, 718 Cayman GT4, fuel consumption combined, WLTP, 11.1 10.7 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, WLTP, 251 242 g/km, fuel consumption combined, NEDC, 10.9 10.2 L/100 km, CO2 emissions combined, NEDC, 249 232 g/km, resulting in a weight-to-power ratio of 2.83 kg/PS. Maximum torque has been increased from 430 to 450 Nm. Among the striking features of the new, top-of-the-range 718 are the process air intakes behind the driver and passenger windows. The 718 Cayman normally has small side windows here. The new air intakes improve both the intake airflow and, at the same time, create a thrilling intake noise right next to the occupant's ears.